Hello, my friends. This is Crypto Firas. Today is the 6th of October 2023, and today I will be discussing ETH BTC, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Now, why ETH BTC? Because as we all know that most of the altcoins has been underperforming Bitcoin, except few low caps or illiquid altcoins. Majority of them are uh, unable to perform well against Bitcoin. That's why we will be checking ETH BTC, because usually ETH BTC is the barometer for the entire altcoins market. Whenever ETH BTC is doing well, that means alts are doing well and outperforming BTC. Whenever ETH BTC is not doing well, or if it's like looking bearish, then most of the altcoins will underperform BTC. So that's why ETH BTC is very important factor to assess the market. And let's quickly take a look on ETH BTC and what to expect from the current structure. So I will start with the very high time frame. I mean, I don't care about low time frames. Let's take a look immediately, go to the weekly. Now, if we look at the weekly, it's obvious that we have been downtrending with lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all the way down. So this explains well why most of the altcoins, especially the liquid altcoins, are down performing Bitcoin. Now, what are the key levels we need to be watching, and what are the patterns we need to be looking at quickly? So this is the entire ETH BTC chart. I will start to pick up my key levels, and I will start from here. I can see there is a serious support here. We got this rally out of, and the other level will be this order block also, which is matching this support. So I will take this level, and the third level will be this. Now the third one is not very important. I will make it like a bit like different color. Okay, so these are the three key levels. These, as we can see here, were acting as a support. It was obvious that every time the price was coming to these levels, it was bouncing properly. As you can see here, we got first bounce, second bounce, third bounce. We got this rally here. We closed below deviation reclaim, and then we got this nice rally, and now we are getting near to these levels. So these levels are important to watch. Now, what are the next levels on the chart? Now, it's not the subject right now, but the next level will be here, this area. This area, this is the previous bear market range, and it was the resistance for all that level. So currently, I have two areas to watch. I have this area. If this area succeeds, then we may get some sort of nice rally for ETH BTC. That means nice rally for all altcoins against Bitcoin. And if this fails, then alts will keep bleeding till we approach the next high time frames level. So currently, and also, of course, I have the resistance here, which is not our topic. It's clear that somewhere around this 0.081, this is the high time frames resistance for ETH BTC, and the current or the upcoming support will be 0.056 and 55 area. So as I can see here that ETH BTC, yes, it's going down, but it's almost approaching the key support level, Now here we zoom into lower time frames, like for 4 hours and daily, okay? Now, what I will be looking at here, what I will be seeking to see here, I have these three key levels. Now, it doesn't have to be a very sharp levels, but starting from here, it's very important to keep an eye on ETH BTC, because whenever I see on daily, 16 hours, 8 hours, or even 4 hours, any sort of local bottom formation, that will be a very good indication for me to enter or to push into the altcoins, okay? Now, this bleeding, let's take a look again on the bigger picture, okay? We have been getting lower lows and lower highs since this high till today. We are talking about something like 400 days already. 400 days, and altcoins are underperforming Bitcoin. So finally, we are approaching this key support level. The level sharply will be one of these. You may write down these levels, very important levels, okay? I will be looking for any sort of bottom formation, like there are like some kind of like deviation reclaim. This will be a great, maybe some sort of inverse head and shoulders, also that will be great. Maybe double bottom here, W formation, it will be great, okay? Or even some sort of a breakout of the local downtrend. I have here some sort of clear downtrend, especially these points, okay? So whenever I see ETH BTC here bottoming out and start reclaiming this, then this will be a good indicator for me to enter altcoins. Now, this can be happening in parallel with BTC USD going sideways. That will be great for alts against USD, but it will be not very good if this happens alongside like a nuking BTC, or if this pumped while BTC is going down. So alts USD won't be doing great. Once we have the formation here, we will assess the market again. We'll assess both BTC USD and ETH BTC, so we can realize, or we can analyze what would be the next step. But for now, the most important point for me is to keep watching ETH BTC, because it's approaching this key level, and here I explained why it's key level. So we better keep an eye on ETH BTC, because whenever this flips bullish, that means the entire altcoins market will also start flipping bullish. And I'm not talking about alt season here, but at least some sort of juicy rallies that you can really print some good money out of it. That's it for today. I won't make it long. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Also, in the video's description, I added some details and info. You can check it, and you can trade with me whenever you want. You can learn and trade with me by subscribing to tradingabcd.net. Thank you, and have a nice day.